Hello everyone. So today we are going to see MCQ questions based on carbohydrate chemistry chapter. So today we will see some of the MCQ questions. In next videos we will see about the NEET PG questions and case based studies related to carbohydrate chemistry chapter. So let's start with MCQ questions. First question number 1. Pentoses which constitute a part of nucleic acid are dash and dash, and the choice is erythrose, erythrulose, ribose, ribulose, ribose, deoxyribose, erythrose and deoxyerythrulose, and the answer is ribose and deoxyribose, which constitute DNA and RNA nucleic acids. Then question number 2, nanoses with biologic significance is. So from the given choice, nanoses are, the answer is neuraminic acid, because rest of the three acid, that is linoleic, linolenic and arachidonic acid, they are essential fatty acid, whereas neuraminic acid is nanose sugar. Then question number 3, fructose exists predominantly as dash ring structure. So fructose is keto sugar. So which type of ring it will have, pyranose or furanose? And the answer is furanose. The next question number 4, glucose exists predominantly as dash ring structure. So glucose will show pyranose or furanose. The answer is glucose is aldose sugar, so it will show pyranose structure. Then next question number 5, the only metabolic fuel for major erythrocytes in fed state and starvation state is, so which sugar it is? Pentose, fructose, glucose and sucrose, and the answer is glucose. Next question number 6, glucose is dextrorotatory, hence called D-glucose, L-glucose, dexoglucose or dextrose, and the answer is dextrose. Then all the hexoses have a free functional group, hence they are dash sugars. So they are reducing sugars or non-reducing sugar. The free functional group is present in reducing sugar. Now questions of mucopolysaccharides. GAG with no uronic acid. It is keratin sulfate or hyaluronic acid. And the answer is keratin sulfate. In hyaluronic acid, with the name only you can see it contains uronic acid. The next question number 9, GAG या GAG glycosaminoglycans with no sulfate group is which one? Keratin sulfate or hyaluronic acid? And the answer is hyaluronic acid. The next question number 10, GAG found in bacteria. Glycosaminoglycans found in bacteria are keratin sulfate or hyaluronic acid? And the answer is hyaluronic acid. Then question number 11, GAG, that is GAG, which is anticoagulant, keratin sulfate, hyaluronic acid or heparin? The answer is heparin. Anticoagulant mucopolysaccharide is heparin. The next question number 12, glycosaminoglycans that help in cell migration. Which one it is? Keratin sulfate, hyaluronic acid or heparin? And the answer is hyaluronic acid. Question number 13, shape of proteoglycan monomer. It is bottle brush shape or clover leaf shape? The answer is bottle brush shape. Then glycosaminoglycan, question number 14, that has a role in corneal transparency. What is the answer? Keratin sulfate, hyaluronic acid or chondroitin sulfate? And the answer is keratin sulfate. Then question number 15. Glycosaminoglycan in synaptic and other vesicles is keratin sulfate, hyaluronic acid or heparin sulfate, and the answer is heparin sulfate. Question number 16. A male child presented with coarse faces, protuberant abdomen, frontal head enlargement, thickening of cardiac wall, hepatosplenomegaly, hearing impairment, what is the most probable diagnosis? So which disease it is? Hurler's disease, Hunter's disease, Gregile X syndrome or Tay-Sachs disease, and the answer is Hunter's disease. Question number 17. The monosaccharide unit of glucose which is linked by alpha 1,4 glycosidic linkage is sucrose, maltose, lactose or cellulose, and the answer is maltose. Next, question number 18. A positive Benedict test in urine means what? Presence of sucrose, glucose, non-glucose reducing substance, or both B and C, and the answer is sucrose. You know it is non-reducing sugar, so it will not give Benedict test positive. So the answer is B and C, that is glucose and non-glucose reducing substances, both will give Benedict test positive. Now question number 19. The following monosaccharide is actively absorbed in the intestine: galactose, fructose, mannose and ribose, and the answer is galactose. So actively absorbed, it is galactose and glucose. So here glucose is not there, so galactose is the answer. Next, 20. Osazone crystals which are sunflower shaped: sucrose, glucose, lactose or maltose, and the answer is maltose. So thank you very much. Please see next video on NEET PG questions, and also we will have image based carbohydrate questions. Even we will have case based studies. Thank you.